Hello guys, welcome back. Discover the top 5 best XR smart glasses featuring advanced micro-OLED displays for stunning visuals and immersive experiences. These cutting-edge devices combine sleek design, high-resolution imagery, and powerful augmented reality capabilities. Whether for work, entertainment, or gaming, these smart glasses redefine how you see and interact with the digital world. For more information, like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. And let's get started. Number 5, X-Real Air 2 Pro. Experience the future of augmented reality with the X-Real Air 2 Pro. Sleek, lightweight, and powerful, these AR glasses deliver a premium cinematic and immersive experience right before your eyes. Equipped with advanced micro-OLED displays, the Air 2 Pro offers vivid colors, deep blacks, and a crystal-clear 1080p resolution per eye. The device features electrochromic dimming, allowing you to adjust the lens transparency for a perfect viewing experience, whether indoors or out. With a refresh rate of up to 120 Hz and ultra-low latency, gaming and media consumption feels smooth and responsive. Weighing just 75 grams, the X-Real Air 2 Pro is designed for long-lasting comfort. Compatible with a wide range of devices via USB-C, including smartphones, gaming consoles, and PCs, it's your go-to for on-the-go entertainment and productivity. Step into the future with the X-Real Air 2 Pro, AR glasses designed to redefine how you see the world. Number 4, Rokid Max. Step into the future with the Rokid Max, a sleek pair of augmented reality AR glasses designed to revolutionize the way you experience digital content. Lightweight and stylish, Rokid Max offers a stunning 215-inch virtual display viewed from 6 meters away, perfect for movies, games, and productivity on the go. Equipped with dual directional speakers and a 120 Hz refresh rate, it delivers crystal-clear visuals and immersive audio without compromising comfort. Whether you're commuting, traveling, or relaxing at home, enjoy a private cinematic experience anywhere. Rokid Max seamlessly connects to smartphones, gaming consoles, PCs, and more via USB-C, offering versatility for entertainment, work, and play. Its low blue light certification and adjustable brightness ensure long-lasting comfort for extended use. With its futuristic design, superior optics, and plug-and-play simplicity, Rokid Max isn't just eyewear, it's your gateway to the ultimate AR experience. See more, do more, wherever life takes you. Number 3, Viture One XR glasses. Immersive augmented reality experience in a sleek, wearable form. Designed for entertainment and productivity on the go, these smart glasses feature a stunning virtual 120-inch display that floats in front of your eyes, ideal for gaming, streaming, and multitasking. With full HD 1080p resolution per eye and vivid color reproduction, the Viture One brings your content to life with cinematic clarity. Lightweight and comfortable, they connect easily via USB-C to compatible devices like smartphones, laptops, and gaming consoles, offering seamless integration and low latency performance. Whether you're watching a movie on a plane or playing games at home, the Viture One transforms any space into your personal theatre. The glasses also support cloud gaming platforms and offer optional accessories like a neckband for added functionality. With Viture One XR glasses, experience the future of visual entertainment. Anywhere, anytime, without sacrificing quality or comfort. Welcome to next-level wearable tech. Number 2, Vuzix Shield. The Vuzix Shield is a cutting-edge pair of augmented reality smart glasses designed to revolutionize workplace productivity and safety. Equipped with powerful micro-LED displays and advanced waveguide optics, the Vuzix Shield delivers crisp, high-contrast visuals directly in your line of sight, perfect for hands-free access to data, instructions, and real-time collaboration. Built for enterprise use, these smart glasses feature robust voice control, head tracking, and dual noise-cancelling microphones, making them ideal for noisy industrial environments. The integrated 3D stereo camera and built-in AI capabilities enable object recognition barcode scanning, and remote assistance, enhancing operational efficiency and reducing downtime. With a lightweight, safety-rated design, the Vuzix Shield is comfortable for all-day wear. It connects seamlessly to cloud-based systems and mobile devices via Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, ensuring easy integration into existing workflows. Whether on the factory floor or in the field, Vuzix Shield empowers professionals with smarter, safer, and more connected work experiences. Number 1. Rokeed Vision 2. Rokeed Vision 2 is a cutting-edge AR smart glasses solution that blends advanced technology with sleek, lightweight design. Perfect for professionals and tech enthusiasts, Rokeed Vision 2 delivers a vivid, immersive augmented reality experience through its dual 1080p displays and 40-degree field of view. These glasses support voice commands, 3D content interaction, and seamless integration with a range of devices via USB-C. Whether used for remote assistance, training, or entertainment, the Rokeed Vision 2 ensures hands-free operation and superior visual clarity. Built for comfort and extended wear, Rokeed Vision 2 weighs only 83 grams, making it ideal for all-day use. Its foldable design enhances portability, and it's compatible with both Android and Windows platforms. With AI-powered features and environmental sensing capabilities, Rokeed Vision 2 delivers an intuitive user experience for a wide range of enterprise and consumer applications. Step into the future of smart eyewear with Rokeed Vision 2, where innovation meets everyday functionality. So guys, that's all for the top 5 best XR smart glasses with micro-OLED display. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more videos. We will meet in next video. Till then, take care, bye.